Warning, do not attempt to ride a mini bike or any motorcycle in the snow as it is very risky and may be bad for your health. Do it at your own risk and don't try it at home. You have been warned. We've got a Predator 224. Why do I have a new engine? Well, if you know anything about the channel, some of my oldest videos were featuring my old mini bike called Neutron, which is this right here. This is Neutron. It's my Massimo MV200 that I have stripped. So I took the engine from Neutron, put it into Free Roamer, and so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna get Neutron back up and running. All right, folks, here is the mess from putting the bike together. Over there and over here. I had to move the bike entirely because we had to plow the driveway, but here she is. I took all the decals off, no stickers, none of that, and we're gonna do the first fire up ever on this engine, or at least for me. All right, gotta turn on the fuel valve. Let the carburetor fill up with a little bit of gas. All right, go ahead and try it. Awesome, first start, first pull. This one sounds a little bit more tonky. It's got more of a deep rumble to it. All right, now with the lights on. Sorry if I blind you. Oh man. Here we go, Neutron. Free roamer. And free roamer. Yes. Yes. Listen to that purr. Man. Sweet. All right, turn that off as well. And that. Next day, to give you an idea of the depth of the snow here. And I'm gonna be that guy riding in the snow. All right, I've lowered the pressure in both tires and I've set the idle screw a little lower because it was idling way too high last night and it was kind of wanting to roll on its own. All right, we should be ready to go. Oh yeah, it sounds better.